Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn how to create an option page in the WordPress. Sometimes we have a requirement like there should be a setting page where we can add the anything like WhatsApp number, phone number, location, contact, or WordPress logo, anything we have want like something like settings or the theme options, not theme option like custom settings where we can just pull down the information and show somewhere else. So today we are going to learn how to create that option page in WordPress. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here is the full-fledged code. Let me add this. So let's copy this and add this code over here. Save this. So here's there is nothing, right? Just reload this. My settings page is updated over here. Okay, new admin bar, you can see that menu is added. When I click on that, there would be journal settings like location I can add, phone number I can update, email I can add, right? Okay, site name you can add and just save these changes. Okay, when I click on the my seconds, you can see that it is already there. Okay, so this is there, and whenever you want to get this information or pull down this information in the front end, so you can also pull down this information with the help of this. Okay, so this is that one, like this one, get option, my location get option, my email get option. You can get all this information on the front end with the help of this. Okay, if there is front end, then definitely I will look into it. Is there any templates? Is there home.html? mm, okay, you can just get this info, pull down this information into the front end with the help of this. If it is not working, I think it's working. Okay, you can just cross verify. Let's understand the code. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, so first one, add menu to the admin menu, right? So this is my custom menu, add menu page, my settings, manage options, capability required to access the menu, my settings, that is with the menu slug, my settings page, callback, this is callback, and this is your icon. Okay, icon for the menu, replace with your desired icon, and this is a position where you want to add this number. Okay, then add action, my custom menu. Okay, then we have a my settings page. Okay, so here we have a my settings. You can see that here we have a my settings, journal settings, and this. Now we have to create these fields. Okay, so here we have two settings, my second and the submit button. It will give you this. Then we have a settings fields, right? So just click on the settings field. Okay, they have a settings page, my options group. So here we are going to edit the register the initial settings. So register my options group, my location, my phone, my email, my URL. So these are all the fields. Okay, add settings. So here we are adding the journal settings over here, then the fields, my option callback, my settings section, then my settings init. So we are just initting that settings. Okay, register and initialize the settings. So we have initialized that one. Then callback function for the section. So here you can see my settings section callback. Okay, here we have a callback section, right? So here we are writing down that p configure your journal settings. Here you can see configure your journal settings. Okay, then we have a my option callback. If I go and check this one, here you can see add setting field. So if first one is my setting section callback, then add setting field, that is my option callback. On here we have to just get the option my location, my phone, my email. Okay, and here we are just creating the fields, okay, with the values, right? Okay, so this is the code that we can add to get the settings page workable, and whatever you want to add over here, you can add, save the settings and pull down the information into the front end. Wherever you want to add, you can show the fields and play around with. Okay, because this kind of things are important whenever you do the dynamic part, right? So whenever you want to give that custom fields to the client, that you can manage the things from here also. So you can also add it like contact information, contact number or something, or the social icons you can make maintain like this. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.